Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion for remote team management in 2025 so your team stay aligned, productive and connect from anywhere. Start by setting up a central workspace that acts as your team headquarters. Create section for projects, tasks, meeting notes, and resources. This gives everyone a place to find what they need without endless searching. Next, use the database to track tasks and responsibilities. Add columns for owner deadlines and let your team update progress in real time. The board or calendar view make it easy to see what's due and who's working on what. For communication, embedded updates weekly, goals, and even lightweight check-ins. Templates so your team can stay sync without relying on only chats or calls. This cuts down the miscommunication and keeps the focus on work. Finally, connect Notion with tools like Slack or Google Drive or Figma so your workflow is centralized with everything in one place. Remote collaboration feels smooth instead of scattered. Using Notion this way keeps your remote team clear, accountable, and efficient, no matter where they are working from. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.